Hey everyone! Looking to tighten up your budget without feeling like you're missing out? I've got you covered! Today, I'm sharing 15 easy ways to cut your expenses and save big. Let's dive right in. First up, review your subscriptions. Do you really need all those streaming services? Try sticking with just one or two you use the most. Next, cook at home more often. Eating out can drain your wallet fast. Find some easy, delicious recipes and have fun experimenting in the kitchen. Shop with a list. Impulse buys can add up. Stick to what you need and watch your savings grow. Ditch your car for short trips. Walking or biking not only saves money on gas, but is great for your health too. Sell unused items. Got stuff lying around collecting dust? Turn it into cash by selling it online or at a garage sale. Make your coffee at home. Those daily cafe trips can cost a fortune. Brew your own and save big. Cut down on energy use. Turn off lights, unplug electronics, and use energy-efficient appliances to lower your bills. Use public transportation. It's often cheaper than driving, and you can use the time to relax or get some work done. Cancel your gym membership. There are tons of free workout videos online. Plus, parks and trails offer great places to exercise. Buy generic brands. Many store brands are just as good as the name brands but cost less. Give them a try. Avoid ATM fees. Use your bank's ATMs or get cash back at stores to avoid those pesky charges. Plan your meals. Knowing what you're going to eat helps you shop smarter and reduce food waste. Use discount codes and coupons. A little bit of effort can lead to big savings. Search online before you buy. Borrow instead of buy. Need a tool for a one-time project? See if a friend or neighbor can lend it to you. Finally, track your spending. Awareness is key. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money's going and find areas to cut back. And there you have it. 15 easy ways to save money without sacrificing your lifestyle. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy saving.